Hey everyone, this is Tripti Divedi and I welcome you all to my channel which is Tripti with Life. So if you're planning to join NEFT or just got in, congrats first of all. But before you pack your bag and dream about becoming the next big thing in design and fashion, you're gonna know this. There are a few must-know realities no one talks about from departments, G, spot round, and hidden expenses. So grab your notebook. This is gonna be ultimate guide you wish someone told you earlier. So firstly, we'll be talking about department reality. First, let's discuss what most people misunderstand at NIFT. Departments. We have departments like fashion and lifestyle accessories, textile designing, fashion designing, BF Tech, fashion communication, knitwear design, and leather designing. And some PG courses like MFM, MF Tech, and MDes. You don't get to choose your department based on your preference and counseling. It's highly dependent on your rank and availability. So every department is very different in terms of workload. We barely sleep during submissions. So while choosing a department, choose with awareness. Moving on, now let's talk about the spot round. Spot round is the second chance for those who have not got their preferred seat or campus or have missed the earlier rounds. If you haven't locked your seat yet, this is important. Take a spot round if you genuinely want to risk your current seat. If you're happy with your seat and campus, just don't risk it. Okay, so now let's talk about what nobody wants you about. Expenses. Okay, so NIFT may be government college, but it's not cheap. Apart from 2 to 3 lakh annual fees, here's what you also pay for. Materials, printing, mock-up, portfolio, art supplies, stationery, events, jury outfits, styling, and many more to come. Trust me, the number of times you will run to the stationery shop the last minute will shock you. So moving, I bet you didn't know this, but we can actually choose subjects according to our interest and skills. Yes, this is known as general elective. So what is GE? Basically a picking subject from different department according to your interest. It can be critical thinking, photography, creative writing, modeling, and many other skills to add in your portfolio. So always choose GE based on your interest and future portfolio. GE grade are added to your GPA and you might have to fight for the slot, so be quick. GE classes are actually very fun and they help you explore your new skill, and some even convert their GE subjects to internships and projects, so actually they are super fun. So that was your complete NIFT starter pack, from hidden costs, department reality, GE hacks to counseling tips. If you're joining this year, get excited but stay prepared. Share this video with every confused aspirant you know. If you have any query or questions, just drop them in the comment section. I'll surely answer them. Thanks for watching.